On this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram music stories. So all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy. So please keep watching until the very end. First step you have to do is open the settings page on your phone and then go to the apps right here. Go to apps and go to Instagram. Here you will find the app informations. Or what you have to do on this page is very simple. Just click here on this data usage like this. Scroll down and make sure to enable the background data and the roaming data, and then go back, click on storage, click on this option, it's called clear data, and then you will be clearing your data. So go back. Now all what you have to do, the last step, is click on this force stop and reopen Instagram, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.